What's up, it's Ayiana Maria, and I am back. Yes, I am back with another guitar lesson. Let me stop. Let's get right into the lesson. So today we're going to be learning how to play Want You Around by Snoh Aaelgra. Alright, so the first chord you need to know for the song is E major 7. You're on the 7th fret, barring the 7th fret from the 5th string up, or just bar the whole thing if that's easier. Your 3rd or 4th fingers are on the 9th fret, on the 4th and the 2nd strings, and then your middle fingers on the 8th fret, 3rd string. The second chord is D sharp minor 7, so you're barring the 6th fret, and then your 3rd finger is on the 8th fret on the 4th string, and then your 4th fingers on the 2nd string. The next chord you need to know is G sharp minor 7. All your fingers on the 4th fret, 1st finger, 6th string, 2nd finger, 4th string, 3rd finger, 3rd string, 4th finger, 2nd string. Alright, so from here, you go to an F sharp minor 7, which is the same exact shape, you just slide it down a whole step. So 1, 2, now you're on the 2nd fret. And then the last chord you need to know is B minor. Alright, for the B minor, you're on the 1st fret, your 1st finger is on the 4th string. On the 1st fret, your 2nd finger is on the 5th string, here on the 2nd, then your 3rd finger is on the 3rd, your 4th finger is on the 2nd string. Alright, you're not hitting that 6th string, you're not hitting the 1st string for this one. So altogether, what sounds like... It's all about the way you set my life, and I make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We get away from feeling these views on every day. All I wanna hear is in the visions on play. Sit right next to you. Try not to show how I feel about you. Maybe we should wait. We don't really want to, I just want you to wait. Sit right next to you. Alright, so as you can see, I kind of added a passing chord in between the G sharp minor 7 and the F sharp minor 7. So I just hit that G minor 7. What I do here is like... pretty much all I did there, just to add some little pizzazz, So that's how you play Want You Around by Snoh Aaelgra. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to see a more in-depth tutorial for this song, as well as get the chord charts and backing tracks, make sure you join my Patreon. The link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this and learned a lot from it, please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace out.